Good morning. Today I'll be teaching you how to install CodeIgniter framework. It's a PHP framework commonly used to develop websites. So I've been using this framework is good. So I'll be teaching you how to install it. But first, we have to download it in the internet. Google. Everything is in Google, so let's find CodeIgniter. And just click this button, download, and it will download CodeIgniter. I don't have to download it because I already have it in I already downloaded it. So I just copy it and copy it to my exam page. What is this page? Exam page. So just download exam server in the internet and be sure to install it and paste your CodeIgniter zip file in your xamp htdocs. Then extract it. This will take for a while. Tadan, tapos na. Okay. So extract. Oh, already have it. Oh, extracted it already. Extract it again. Silly me. So here it is. CodeIgniter 2.9. So and let's browse to localhost exam. Be sure that your exam is running. Alright, let's take a look. Control panel. Oh, my exam is already running, so be sure to run your exam and browse to localhost CodeIgniter. So if you see something like this, you are obviously finished. Right, so follow my tutorials. This is the first, so I'll be guiding you how to use CodeIgniter MVC framework. So goodbye. I have exam.